Every time, every day, every time I go live, they have to acknowledge this. Then we're going to come over to here. We're going to go live on, we are live. Everything we're being said is out there on the internet now. And then we're going to go live on TikTok. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to refresh this. And I got to see, yep, monetization is off. So now this is what we're doing right here. We're going to come over to here. And I always set this up. And I do, this is going to be PM callouts, PM signal call outs for tomorrow's trades. Good evening, everybody. Be right with you. They know the routine by this time. Tomorrow's trades. What's today's date? Help me out here. Today is the 6th, 12/6. How's everybody day? Everybody do good today? Today is Wednesday. I can't spell anything. Even when I have spell check, I spell things wrong. We are joined by my cousin Mark for a little bit. I'm not going to stay long. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's have some fun trading and maybe even make a correct call or two. God bless. Kev and Bri. Boop, boop, boop. Try to say same things or similar. Then we come over here and we grab all this shit from here. And then we copy this, put it over here. And all I'm doing is getting this set up so we don't have to do this shit when I'm done with it. I want to, when we're done, I just walk away and we just go do whatever you want to do or whatever. Come over to here. Oh, good. Janine said the oxygen helped her. Yay. I knew it would. We come over to here. Now we have these things right here. And those are called your tags. So we're going to put those in right there. Then we're going to come down here. The location is outside of Atlanta. So I say Atlanta. The recording date is live today. And you can't change any of this. So if they go back and look at this TikTok, this YouTube, it'll never change. It can't be changed. It's live. So anything I call and do today is either right or wrong. And it's for everybody to see. And thank God I'm pretty good on the right part of things. And rarely wrong. There's a few people here, so now we're there. We should be live on. We're live on TikTok. If anybody wants to head over there, I usually push them over there in the mornings, Mark, because I just want like 50, 60 people over there. There we go. What's up? Question at all? What's up, Tej? What's up, McMahon? All right, then we're gonna go over here. Good evening, Sam. I am Stevie Haynes. What's up, Stevie? Stevie and Sam make shit tons of money all the time. What's up, Terry Gross? Hi, Esther. Good evening, Jaros. What a day today. You make some money, Stevie? Tell us about your day. Stevie probably kicked fucking ass. Robel kicks fucking ass. What's up, Robel? What's up, Eugene? What's up, Bob? Bob was a big ass doubter. We're here. We're live with my Uncle Mark, my brother, really, but I call him Uncle Mark. Stevie Haynes, hit the button, people. Fully logged in. Sheesh. What's up, fully logged in? Why are you saying sheesh? Anyone's a douche, I block him and kick him out in 2 seconds. I don't tolerate shit. What's up, Tej? What's up, Boost and Hemi? Great training. How'd you do today, Boost? All right. We have 33 people watching. This is a good way for me to completely boot out of YouTube. 33 people watching and 10 thumbs up. That isn't going to work, guys. Absolutely freaking not. Not going to happen. If we don't get more thumbs up, I'm going to be out of here in about 2 seconds. So just remember that. I don't have to be here. We don't need to help these people out at all. I'm not going to do it if they don't show any kind of respect. We better get some fucking thumbs up or I'm out the door. All right, TikTok. Welcome, everybody. Question at all? Me a doubter. No, Bob, you're fantastic. Oh, no, you were before you joined. I remember you stalking me. Don't say you weren't. You weren't. Now you were. My mom does your safety trade. Nice. Well, I'm glad fully logged in. I'm good. You're good, bro. I think you might be the first timer here. What's up, Tanny B? I think I got it. Nice. Tony Jewick. Thank you, Kev, for the safe trade system. I think I got nice. I hope you do. Wow, I really do. All right, what you guys are all looking at and I'm done with right now is called the legal disclaimer. As you all know, I am not a financial advisor. Anyone, that's what I tell Mark. Anybody that thinks I'm a financial advisor, the way I cuss, I swear, I yell at them, I get angry at them. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't pretend to be one. I don't want to be one. We have one on our family member. Mark knows who that is. But no, bullshit. I am not one. Never will be. Only demo trade. Read this all over at your leisure. Okay. Everybody knows this. Say yes. What's up, Matty Trader? Everybody that knows that I'm not a financial advisor, please say yes. And I'll pull this down. Fully logged in. I want to see how this works so I can join. Awesome. Fully logged in. Absolutely. I did stock. I know you did, Bob. You were a doubter. Bob's all nice now, but the hell he wasn't. That man doubted me for fucking 2, 3 weeks, 3, 4 weeks. Yes, yes, yes. Question all yes, Tej, yes. Okay. So I'm not a financial advisor. There you go. So they're saying yes. I'm going to pull that down. And then we're going to move this over here. And then we're going to move this here. Da, 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 da. Anybody here with me in the morning? Anyone here in the morning where I said when everything was green this morning, where I said it was going to turn to red and that NAS would go to 3. I'll pull it up for them too. If they don't say yes, I'll literally go find the morning video and show them where I said, anybody here from this morning, say sevens if you remember me saying this, where I said these were all going to turn to red, just like they have. Yes, sir. Yes. E8. What's up, E8851? What's up, Anthony Atwood? What's up, Cliff? What's up, Terry? What's up, Joe? Yep. Yes, sir. You seen what they're saying? Yep. Yes, sir. 777s. Yep. 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 Because they were here. So when these were, so these calls mark over here, if you can see this, these little things, these arrows were all green. I called for them all to turn red this morning. And they're saying, yep, he did. What's up, Raider Trader? I love his name. And he's kicking ass too. Raider Trader kicks fucking ass. Nadal. Good afternoon, Nadal. McMahon, thank you for speaking up. Markle. What's up, Markle? Says Boost Emmy. Thank you, Boost. Yep. So there's people here that saw me make these calls, which is unheard of. Mark's new to trading. He's just visiting. He doesn't give a shit about it. My cousin's here, brother's here. He wanted to come on the live, so I'm not going to stay long. But the long story short, Mark, is for me to be able to make these calls at like 8 o'clock in the morning and for them to come true at 5 o'clock in the afternoon is insane. Is it impressive that these calls were and told us about the predictability of the up and down? So it's Joe Big. Yeah, I'm telling them exactly how it's working and what's happening. By the way, they're all going to turn to green overnight from 6 o'clock. So probably somewhere between 10 p.m. and 10 a.m. you'll see these all turn back to green again. They're all going to flip back around again. But anywho, I just, because some people just take it for granted. Some people just think, oh, well, God, he does this every day. It's no big deal. But every day I call these things out and I'll explain how we do it. I want this morning, but I saw them start to change as per your training last week. Nice, Stevie. Stevie's kicking fucking ass. Stevie probably has $1 million worth of, it's called funded trade. The system is incredible. Impressive indeed, says Anthony Atwood. Yeah, right. It's impressive, but Anthony, but everyone just takes it for granted because I do it so much, so often for the last, 2 years on TikTok and over a year on YouTube. All the time it's called out. And people are just like, yeah, okay, he did it again. No big deal. But it is a huge fucking deal. So anyway, but that's all. So we'll get to the trading now. The money was flowing today. What's up, Tracy? When Tracy says that, she loves Nadex. Anybody want to say and tell Uncle Mark how much, my brother Mark, how much you guys made? He's joining us live. How much did you guys make today? You don't have to throw out exact numbers. He has $500,000 in traded funded trading account. He's controlling $500,000. That's awesome, Stevie Haynes. Congratulations, Stevie. What's up, Maria Toller? Maria Toller and her husband, Steve. They're from Arizona. They've been with me almost, a year and a half now. I just want to see if Jay Cochran comes on here, Jay's made over $200,000 in a trade before in a single day, in a single trade. Tommy made $166,000 in one trade last month. $200, LF George. What's up, LF George? $200. Congratulations. Team Lane made $8,000 today. Stevie Haynes made over $1,000 today. Robel, I think Robel's on the biggest tear I've seen in a long time. Robel is just winning. Some people just get the flow and they just win. You know what I mean? They just get that flow on them. And he made $2,000 today. Congratulations, Robel. Kick fucking ass. That is fantastic. And Maria's been with me. She's saying yes. And her husband, Steve, who isn't here right now. Well, he actually works, I think, still. I made a little over 22,000. Harris Tran, you made over 22,000? Harris, is that demo money or real money? Damn, Harris, I'm so glad he's back. He was sick for a long time. Harris is gone for about 6 months. I'm so glad he's back. Congratulations, Harris. What's up, Shash? I know Shash makes money too. Shash, how much you pull off today? How much did you make, if you don't mind me asking? My cousin is joining us. What's up, Terry Kelfor? I've slaughtered people's name. Kelhofer? What's up, D Nice? And Shash always says, God bless you. So sweet. And God bless each and every one of you. 7,800 for Have You Wondering. Have You Wondering? I don't even know if Have You Wondering is one of our members. Hold on. I don't know. Maybe. Good for you. Congratulations either way. Curtis, all you wonders, how you taking such change of life? Absolutely. Shash made $800 today. Kimberly Harrington, a 62-year-old woman, really doesn't even know trading at all, but she's referred to herself as the gold queen because she trades gold a lot, and she makes anywhere from $300 to $500 to $1,500 a day. She retired, and she didn't need Social Security to do it. Demo money is trying to get through the bad trading. Oh, nice. Still, congratulations. Yes, it's still amazingly hard to do. $1,200 yesterday for Shash. Harris Tran, congratulations. Ditto Harris Tran. There you go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, demo trading is the only thing you guys are supposed to be doing, right? I'm tired. Oh, precious. I've been out since 11 this morning and just got back home. Wow. Wow, that's a lot of running around. A lot of running around. All right, does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments before I call out the 10, 12 symbols that I'm going to call out for you? Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? I'll wait just a second. There's a delay on YouTube. So I'm going to see if anyone says anything. Great Discord discussion today. Nice, Bob. All right, I'm going to go ahead and say no one has any questions. I'm going to call out, starting with oil. I'm going to make these signal calls out, and most of the time they do okay. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right, guys, I need to take a look at the 5-minute chart, right? Anthony Atwood. No, Anthony. No, Anthony, you need a training so bad. Just hang in there till Monday, my brother. Go back and watch some of my other videos. It'll help you out a ton. My daily number gets multiplied over the other accounts. I know, right? Stevie has what's called a copy trader. So when he makes one account trade, account trades, I think for 8. I think he's in 8 different things. So he makes money in 8 accounts. Whatever he tells you, if he makes like $1,000, he's really making it times 8, is what he's telling you. My daily number is good. Yeah. Okay. Have you wonder? Okay, cool. All right, here we go. Oil. Gee, I think that worked out pretty good. Oil 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute sell stop. Oil 1 minute sell stop. Oil. Let me see the 1 hour. Let me see the 15-minute again. Nope, nothing there. 1 hour. It's too far away anyways. Okay, officially a 1 minute sell stop. And it hit its blue line today on the daily. Let me see. Daily. Yep. Hit its blue line on the daily. Hit its blue line on the weekly. We're good there. It's forming a daily. It's forming a. Let me get rid of this one right here. 2 keyboards. Got to make sure you're on the right one. Forming a 4 hour. 4 hour daily buy stop, but there's nothing there. It's too late. Fuck it. So oil's too much. Now, oil is officially a sell stop, but I'm telling you right now, it's too far away on the 1 hour away from its yellow line right here. It's going to pull back up. Whether it does it now or overnight, it'll do it by 9:30 this morning. You're going to see a 1 minute buy stop occur. I'm not saying it's going to happen now, but I tell you before 9:30 tomorrow morning, you're going to see this rise up, come really close and or touch that blue line on the 1 minute. Okay. Get ready, Anthony and Stevie. All right, here we go. That is oil. That is UK oil and US oil. Not much there. XRP, baby. Love XRP, Uncle Mark. Let's see how XRP did today. 1 minute buy. 1 minute buy, XRP. 5 minute, 5 minute, nothing. 15 minute, nothing. 30 minute, 31 hour. It's already too high. See, I told you about the 1 hour buys. Already did it. Is that a 15 minute, 1 hour? 15 minute. Nope. Too late. Nothing. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop. XRP. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. XRP, yeah, I would just kind of lay low off of that one too. You know how I feel about these late afternoon trades. I wouldn't do shit with them. Ethereum and Bitcoin, they always run together. Let's take a look. Ethereum's on its sell. Let me see where Bitcoin is real quick. Yeah, 1 minute sell stop Bitcoin to the blue line. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop. Ethereum, look at that. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, perfection, directly down to the blue line. Holy shit. Let me see what Bitcoin did. Can't be any better than that right there. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, we have a ways to go, don't we? Interesting on that call. Okay, let me go back to Ethereum. All right, Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop. Ethereum to the 5 minute blue line, forming a 15 minute, forming a 30 minute 1 hour, forming a 1 hour 4 hour, forming a 1 hour 4 hour buy stop. So it's going to have to dip down a little bit more. It's going to hook down on a daily, just like it did right here and right here. Green, 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 red, green, 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 red. It's going to come down more on the daily, then hook and come back up. So that's Ethereum 4 hour. Daily, it's already did the buy. I already called that out. Weekly sell, monthly buy. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Da 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 da. Bitcoin. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop towards the 5 minute blue line. Bitcoin forming a 15 minute, 30 minute 1 hour, please. Yeah, 30 minute 1 hour buy stop. It's going to hook, come down just like it did right here. Exactly like it did right here. It's going to hook over, come back down here, 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 and here. That's what Bitcoin's doing right now. Bitcoin, boy, it's going to fall farther though because it's too far on the 4 hour. Daily too late. I already called it. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop Bitcoin. All right, that takes care of oil, US oil, UK oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and we're going to do USD CHF is the complete opposite of EURUSD. How did EURUSD today? Yeah, it stayed down all day, didn't it, little weasel? 1 minute sell stop. Actually, you can take that trade if you want. Let me see on the 5 minute. Yep, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, EURUSD. 15 already was a 15 minute. That's why it's been dropping. It already was a 30. It was a 30 minute to the 1 hour blue line. There you go. There's the call I made again. There it is to the blue line. You can see clearly that it went and touched it. That's what you wanted. There it is to the 4 hour blue line. Look at perfection. Wow. So this must be a 4 hour daily buy, I'm assuming. Yep. 4 hour daily buy. So all that selling is forming a 4 hour daily buy stop to the blue line. Then there's a weekly, monthly sell stop to the blue line. And that's where it's heading to. And that's EURUSD, the opposite of USHF. Next is gold. Gold and Demdar Hills. 1 minute gold sell stop. And it was a sell stop to the blue line and it came straight down to it. That's perfection. 5 minute maybe. Let's see. Nope, it isn't. Interesting. It already hit the blue line on the 5. Yep, 5 minute. 1 minute sell stop gold. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop gold. 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop gold. And that's it on gold. I'm not calling out the rest of that shit. SPX. Gee, I wonder if any of these predictions came true like every one of them this morning. Amy Lou, my 1 hour sell stop on gold is up. Yay, Amy Lou. 415. $4. Yay, still in the selling gold. Let me check gold again for Amy Lou to make sure I called that 100% accurately for her. I don't want any issues for Amy. Got to help her out. She's in a 15 minute 1 hour. So she's in a 1 hour sell. Okay. I wonder where she entered in at. Was it this? Let me zoom in a little bit, see if I can get close for her. 1 hour sell. So this is a 1 hour, 4 hours. This is a 1 hour, 15 minute. Yes. 15 minute, 1 hour sell. She's up money. Yay. So let's see. 1 minute sell. It's going to arch up. It's going to come up a little bit, Amy, and hook back down. It's going to probably come up to here into that yellow line right here, hook and come down. I think you're okay with that. It is a 5 minute, 15 minute buy, but I think you're more than okay with that. See, the problem is it fell so hard the other day, 2 days ago. 1 hour sell, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. And then, Amy, it's going to come down, hook down to this daily blue line or closer to it right here. It's going to come down to here, just like it did here. Remember when we rode this one out just the other day, a couple of weeks ago? I literally went in this trade, right? Boom, this is a daily. This is our logo down to here. I think you're going to see it come down further, Amy, down towards this yellow line, and then you'll see the flip. But if you can lock in any profit, go ahead and do that as long as you can do it safely. I think you're okay for a minute on that sell. We'll see. Yeah, I think so. Still in selling gold price was at 2029.42 when I entered. Oh, okay. Let's take a look. See, Amy knows what she's doing. Amy's getting so good. 2029? Holy shit. Well, she said she did it off the hourly. She must have got it up here. Right here. Oh, that's a nice position. I think she's good. Yeah, you should be able to lock that in. Let me get rid of this thing real quick. So were you up here? 2029. Yeah. Yeah, that's great, Amy. That's fantastic. That's it's actually, she's saying it's $4.15. That's $4.15 an ounce. So literally, if she was trading like commodities futures with this shit with gold, she'd be a rich son of a bitch right now because of that call. She really would. She'd be doing fantastic. So very, very, very good call. When she's doing a 0.01, it doesn't add up a lot. But when you're doing like a 1.0 or a 10.0, you can make tens of thousands, 100. She could make $40,000, what she just did right there, if she was trading with bigger money, Mark. So that's all that is. Excellent job. Excellent job. All right. Let's go back over to our little SPXs and US 30s and see what we got going on ourselves. Sell stop 1 minute. Let me see NAS. Sell stop NAS. Let me see US 30. Let me see right here. 5 minute. Too far away. Let me see if we're closer on NAS. Hit the blue line. Past the blue line. Look at this shit. Look at those 5 minute calls be to perfection. I know you guys are impressed. I know you are. Can we get any further down? I think we might. You're going to watch for the ricochet right here. It's going to hit this blue line, ricochet upwards, and come and hook back down again. That's what US 30 is going to do. Let me see if it did it on NAS. It did it right here and came over. Yep, it did this ricochet there. Let me see SPX. It came down and came up again. Not as clean, though. It did it underneath. No, we're good. So, again, look for a little pullback up right here short term, and then it's going to come down again. That's for all three indices. I'm going to go ahead and make the call, though, because these are all red, that these eventually play the sell stops. You can still play them. It's not too late. You can play them. Play the sell stops. So keep going down, keep going down. How close are we on SPX's 15 minute? Hold on a second. We might be close enough on that one. That was weird. I think Mike was still connected. I didn't like that at all. Who the fuck is super user? It better be Mike. All right. Let's see. We need to go to the 15 minute. We need to go to SPX. Hold on a second. Oh, we're right there. It touched it. Boom. Look at that shit. So when I called out the two were going there, it literally just did. SPX touched its red line. So this is true. All these turned to red and SPX did it. I don't think you're going to see US 30, however, today. You might see US 30 tomorrow after it already does its rise back up again. Let me see that US 30 one more time because it's pretty far away. Oh, yeah. We have plenty of time. You know what I'm going to do? Mike's going to kill me. Mike, don't do this. Mike, my other brother from a different, well, same mother. Do not do this. I'm going to go ahead and open up because it's a long-term one anyways. We have a few days for this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going over to nadex.com. I'm going to go over to knockouts. I'm going to go over to indices. I'm going to go over to US 30. I'm going to see, oh, they're closed. Mother fudgers. The underlying market's closed. Fudgicles. What time is it? It must be 5. Yep. Market's closed. I can't do the order. Fudgicles, fudgicles, fudgicles. Yeah. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the 15 minute blue line on US 30. I really like that trade. You can do, or just be very, very, very patient and wait for the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops to form. Just wait for that 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop to form. It will form. Yeah, it will do it. Let me see if the SPX is doing it. Yeah, and just hang in there on those. Okay, now back to US 30, back to 15. Nate is closed. I know. Thanks, Tracy. You tell me now. Awesome job. I don't know what time it was. All right. Anybody have any questions, any concerns they want me to go over before I go ahead and teach you how I trade? I'm going to go over how I trade, exactly how I trade. Da, 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 da. Anybody on TikTok? Anybody on YouTube? Any questions before I go? Because here we go. No, none, none, none. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. All right. Good evening. Say what's up, Stacy. Usually at you can see the number of people watching over here, 43 and 17. In the mornings, that's about 100, 120, maybe 130. And this one's about 50, 60. So it's in the afternoon. Yeah, they're just hanging out. What's up, Stacy? All right, here we go. How do we trade? How exactly do I trade? You guys are sick of me saying it, but I don't care. I hold nothing back. What we're going to do is tell you step by step. Number one, first thing I do is pray. I thank God for another day above ground. As soon as I open my eyes, I'm thankful to him. I give God all the glory. I give him all the credit. You know that I take none of the credit for developing the system. I happen to believe in Jesus. I don't care if you believe in Muhammad. I don't care if you believe in this flying spaghetti monster. I just thank God for it. First thing I do. Yes, I do believe being thankful to God is helpful to my trading. I really do. Number two, I do my Wim Hof, weightlifting, cardio, red light therapy, whatever it is. I do think all those physical things help me trade better. And I really do. I just love doing those things. I think it's hugely helpful. Third thing I do, right here, I go over to this H&H scanner. Right now, as I look at the H&H scanner basis sell stops tonight, do you expect indices to go back to 1 month? Yes, I do. I'm going to tell you that right now. Wealth, see, great minds thinking alike. Wealth Creation Project. Look, these ones right here, Mark. By the time 9:30 to 10:30 tomorrow morning, you'll see these go towards the green lines on US 30 NAS and SPX, or up above it where they turn back green with these green arrows. You'll see the 5-minute and you'll see the 15-minute. Yes, I fully expect those to do that by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, 10:30 at the latest. And usually it's way before 8:30 they do it. And usually it's way before 7:30 they do it. So just look for that. How do they find out what happens? I'll show you, but they actually change. So what they're going to look for tonight, Mark, is this. They'll be waiting at their little scanners right here, which is a free gift from me and Bri, by the way. And this is what they'll see. They're going to see, let's just say there's we'll do this one right there. And we're going to do this one right here. This is exactly what they'll eventually see. They're going to see one turn to green, whether or not it's US 30 or whichever version it is. They're going to see it turn to green. And then when they do, they're going to look for buy stops. And they know what that is. They're going to look for buy stops on NAS and SPX and US 30 back to the blue lines. This scanner that you're looking at is M1, M5, M15. So this is the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. What it's doing is trading to the blue line, whether it's above it or below it. When it's red, it's below a blue line. The blue line is just a blue line. It doesn't mean anything. When it's above it, it's also the other. So this is that easy. Nothing other than is it above it or below it? And it's going to flip. One of these will turn to green. The other two will turn to green, and then we'll go up. Now, will they actually go there? I don't know. Will they head towards there? 100% absolutely yes. Sometimes if a hard down is happening, they can't get enough movement back up again. They might not flip to green, but I think they will. I'm almost positive they will tonight. So that's all it is. So that's how they look at that scanner. Thank you for dinner. You're welcome, Uncle Mike. All right, so that's how we look at it. First thing I do for trading is I look at that to see if there's anything odd. When I saw it the other morning, I said, hey, this is all going to turn to green. Of course it did. Now I'm going to say this is all going to turn to green overnight, and it is, because whatever they move down moves up. This is how stupid or how easy things are in this world. If they move, let's just go with something. We'll go over to NAS. Say they move everything down all day long, Mark. Then overnight, they move it back up again a little. That's all it is. And this scanner picks it out for them. It shows them how that happens. That's all you got to remember. It doesn't matter. They do it all different times, LF George. What's up, Jason L. Rock the Bach? You're welcome, Wealth Creation Project. It depends. It could be 8:30 at night, 6:30 at night, Eastern Standard Time. It could be 12:30 at night. I would say usually in the London session, 3:30 in the morning-ish, they'll start pulling shit around, moving it. But it can be all the way up to 9:30. But it will be before 9:30, 10. That's just what they do. They might even do it at open, but rarely do they do that. It's usually just overnight. That's all. All right. So first thing I do is thank God. Second thing I do is all my physical exercise. Third thing I do is I look at the H&H scanner. The fourth thing I do is I look at my rules and hourly charts. So let's go over here. We're going to look at our rules and our hourly chart. So what does that mean? I don't know. What does that mean? Where is my TradingView account at? Right there. Here it is. This is TradingView. Yes, the charts are the same on TradingView as they are on MetaTrader 4. They're exactly the same. There is no difference. Here you go. Let's go over here. We're going to make this a 1 hour. We're going to make sure we're on US 30, which we are. We're going to reset that chart view, and it's going to be right here. Oh, good. All right. Now, the rules are very straightforward and very exact. I made the rules, Mark, and I still review the rules every day, and I print them out, and I have a copy of them. I make my brother do the same thing. Mike has the same thing. The rules are this. You look for either a green up arrow or a down red arrow. How do we find those arrows? We follow the rules A, B, C, D. Doop, 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 right there, and I'll explain what those are in a second. And then what do we have other rules on? And this is what people always get tricked up on, and they're too lazy to look at the fucking rules. But in the meantime, if they do, they would say, number one, if you don't see a clear safe trade on the 1 minute time frame, look to the next level until you find one. Keep checking the 1 minute, 5 minutes, because that's what's going to form first. The order in which safety trades form is 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. You may open more than one trade at a time, but don't get suckered in. If it's going to go up on the 1 hour, it has to go down on the 1 minute first. People always get caught in that. It's the craziest thing. 4, once safety trade finishes, look for the next highest time frame. If you ask me the question on that, or if you ask me how to put your take profit in, or if you ask me how to put a stop loss in at the pivot point, I know they're scammers and I won't answer their questions. Because once you're trained, I tell you how to do all that. If you're not trained, you're a scammer. People try to steal things and not pay for them online. So they're scamming. You imagine that, how low people are? Scum of the earth. But at any rate, always move your buy stop, sell stop up and down. The most important rules we have, always thank God. Always do good with your profits. And that doesn't mean just buy a Bentley for yourself. That's fine. Phil did buy a Bentley, custom-made Bentley, one of our guys. But then go ahead and buy a Honda Pilot or something, or a Honda Accord or a Civic for someone else in need. Help someone else. Start always in your family and work your way out. That's my own opinion, but that's exactly what I would do. I would get whatever I can, whether it's food, whatever it is. If you can buy groceries for someone, and then just start helping people that are in need. You don't have to keep all the money to yourself. Do good with your money. Okay? Always have my back. I really don't care about that shit, but whatever. Always thank God. Always do good with your money. Those are musts. The more you thank God and the more you do good with your money, the more God will bless you with the money. Trust me on that. Okay? So we're going to go back now. Those are our rules. Green up. Exactly my philosophy, Anthony. But oh, nice. Awesome. Green arrow up, red down. Let's see how we find them. So here's how I find them. Watch my train of thought and how I do this. It's going to happen quick. Okay. So I go to the 1 hour and I'm going to look right here and I'm going to look for one thing on the 1 hour. I'm going to say, is this blue line high or low? High or low? In this case, it's low on the 1 hour. What do I mean by low? Well, you can literally see that down here. Let me move it over here. The blue is low and the pink is high. Can you nod your head? Do you see that, Mark? Look,
relative
blue line
to what's on the screen, yeah.
Blue line low, pink line high.
Relatively.
Blue line low. There's no relatively. It's low. This is high. This is low.
Based on what scale?
Based on the pink is high, Mark. You see the pink
That's
is
fine.
above the blue?
That's fine. Continue.
Okay, so there you go. Wow, that was interesting, huh? The blue line is low, pink is high. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at that on our NAS and see what it looks like. No, blue line is coming down, but it isn't low. So that's ridiculous. It's in the middle. I don't like that at all. We're going to go over to SPX. And again, coming down, but I don't like it at all. So none of these are all the same. These need to be down low already. They're not. I'm going to go up to the 4 hour. I'm going to say, hey, is the 4 hour down low? Yes, I see the one is down low here on SPX. Let's see if NAS is down low. It is. Let's see if US 30 is down low. And of course, US 30 has got to be opposite, and it is not. So now we have to go from the 1 hour to the 4 hour, and now we have to go to the daily to see if we have all agreement right here. Now we can clearly see that the blue line is up high. right here. Boop. And then we come from here and we go to NAS and see what that looks like. Yep, up high, yay. And now we're going to come over here to SPX. And what do we see? Up high. So now we have the perfect workings of what's called a 4-hour daily buy stop. We know it's going to go up eventually because we have the exact up movement on all. So if we're going to do a daily buy stop, that means we have to find a daily logo. Remember that thing we were just talking about? We need to find a green up. So let's go ahead and take our rules into effect. Price starts below. We're told to come up, and it's right here. That isn't swell. It's not low enough. It needs to come down to here. Let's take a look at that and see if we got that. Right here. We're going to go over to NAS and see if it did it. Did NAS take? That doesn't look the same. No, it did not. There we go. I knew that didn't change. Yep. NAS is better. Still not ideal, but it's still better. It's going to come down a little bit further. And then what do we have? We have US 30, and I'm pretty sure that was too far away too. Okay, so here's US 30 in space somewhere. It needs to come down and touch the yellow line or the green line right here, and it's way up here. So neither of these, all three of them have not formed our logo on the daily. Let me show you what it looks like for real. We can go over to gold, and I can show you what that looks like. Right here. The very first time it did it right here is the best. You can see gold came up, came down to its yellow line right here, and it's doing it again, actually. You're going to see gold come back down, and it's going to do another 4-hour daily buy stop. It's going to form it again, and gold's going to go up again. It's going to dip down first, like Amy's playing, and then it's going to come up again. And that's what gold's doing. So let's go back to our little 3. We're going back to US 30. So overall, we're going to need this to come back down. That's why on our scanner, as I told you, you're going to see this shit fly back up again. All turn to green. And then the next time this pushes down, which will be tomorrow this time, almost for surely, unless they do some kind of stupid ass news. Friday, I think they do some NFP shit, whatever. You'll see all these flip back up green overnight. And then by tomorrow this time, you're going to see all these red plus SPX 15-minute red plus US 30 15-minute red. And then you'll see them all flip back up again. Then they're all going to drop, and they're going to go down to the 30 minutes. You might even get NAS 100 to do the 30-minute tomorrow, actually. And that's what's going to happen. Why are they all dropping? Because they all have to come down onto the daily chart. That's why they're all going to drop. So they all have to come down to form our logo down here. So you'll see the price go down, and it will form 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour buy stops when it does this, or in this case, probably a 4-hour buy stop. That's what it's going to do. So you could just predict the future that way, and that's how we do it. Now, they're not ideal. None of these are great. I'm not a big fan of any of these trades. Just wait for it. I am going to call 1-minute sell stops to the blue line. Now we have to change this to buy stops, the blue line. And then I still want these 1 hour, 4 hours buys to kick in. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me put this back to 1. There you go. Okay. Never play anything overnight, do you, Kev? Yeah, sometimes I'll play ERUSD or gold overnight. I did a couple of gold ones when I went to sleep and woke up in the money. Yeah, I would. Absolutely. What's up, Aladar? All right. Anybody have any questions over that? Anyone at all? It was a little all over the place tonight. Sorry, I'm a little rushed. I'm trying to get out of here. TikTok, any questions? Question at all? Kenny J, any questions at all? Now, Nadal, Jaw Pen, any questions on TikTok? Anything at all? Anything at all on YouTube? I'm going to go ahead and kill it tonight. I don't have anything else to go over. Don't forget, buy the system as a Christmas gift. Here's my sales job. I'm terrible at it. Remember, you have to master the system by teaching it. You have to unlearn to relearn. Remember that we are a Stan Ambassador store. That means they have chosen us senior ambassadors, actually. We're a top 50 store. I know we were at one time. They told us that. I think we're a top 20 store. Yes, we do make a shit ton of fucking money off the system. The scanners, we gave you free upgrades all the time. I think that's it. Thank you for sharing your time traveling brain with us. Yeah, I like that. I like being called a time travel alien than the other thing. Japan says no. Okay, Japan. There's a New Zealand 240 buy stop. You wouldn't take that overnight, I guess, Aladar. Let's see. New Zealand. New Zealand which? New Zealand who? Which New Zealand trade? I'll pull it up for you. Nice touch-up training on the scanner, says Boost. Oh, I'm glad you like that. Aladar, if you can tell me the exact symbol and time period. Time traveler. What's up, Kim, the candle envelope? What's up, Kim? She makes the best candles out there. I really got to get that lit behind there, actually. I don't know how to do that. I'll figure that out. Maybe I can do below it right here. I don't know. Let me see. No, maybe not. Fuck, I'll do it another way. Thank you for all you do and Bri do. You're welcome. All right. I guess there's no questions. Everybody rate this session on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being sucky. If you put 1, please put a reason so I can address it. If you put a 10, that's fucking awesome. You can put a million. You can put 1,000. You can put anything you want to put in there. Just let me know I've thought of a session tonight. I want to make sure everybody's at least reasonably happy. USD. NZD USD. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can help them out. 10. D Nice. Thank you, D Nice. Thank you, Job Thank you, Jenny. Kenny. I called him Jenny. 17 LF George. Aladar, New Zealand USD. Let's see. New Zealand USD symbols. Let me see if I can find it for him real quick. Majors. New Zealand USD right here. There we go. Let me see if I can grab that for him. 500, a 2,000%, an 11, 1,000. Oh, thank you, guys. Clear Lake Water, says Robel. Robel, you're just kicking fucking ass. Risby, thank you, Risby. Thank you, Anthony. Okay, good. So I guess we 10 out of 10 every day. Thank you, Maria, but you're just sweet. Maria and her husband have been with us a long time. Well, I mean, like a year and a half long. 10 plus, 10 plus. Thank you, Mr. C. All right, so let me do one quick little thing. If I can pull this one up, I'm going to try to help this guy at the last second here. This is New Zealand USD. I think I can. All right, let's see. He's calling it on the, he's asking for, I don't even know what he means. He keeps putting 240 up there. I don't know what the hell that means. Let's take a look. Thank you all for those 10s. New Zealand USD. Okay, I'm just going to read the whole thing. New Zealand USD, 1 minute. Sell stop. Let me see how far away that is, though. 5 minute. This had to be a 15 minute. It was. This had to be a 30 minute. 30 minute sell. It was. 30 minute sell stop. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour down, 15 minute. 15 minute down, 30 minute down. Too late for both those. 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hours. It's got to be a 4 hour daily buy. 4 hour daily buy to the blue line, daily blue line. So 1 minute sell. You're kind of late to this party. I don't know what you're seeing, but this is a sell stop. Sell stop. It already was a 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute. It's two. I mean, is it going to drop for? I do believe it's a 1 minute, 5 minute sell, so it will drop a little further. It's going to go down to the 5 minute, 15 minutes. It's going to go down to the 15 minute blue line. Let me see how far we are on the 30 though in the 1 hour. It's okay. It's not my favorite trade. The 4 hour daily is sweet. You can kind of wait for that one if you want, but I mean, you can do the 1 minute, 5 minutes. I just think you're a day late and $1 short. You're getting scraps. You should have entered in off of here, way up here. Boom. You see this huge ass fucking M. Could this be any more? I mean, you couldn't draw an M better. If I fucking had crayon, I couldn't even draw M this good. But thanks to their cheating little system right here. Look, this is all they did. They're so stupid. Oh, well, I'm not going to get into it. Bri wants me to be nice to the AIs out there. But this is ridiculous. You can literally see they drew an M. Dumbasses. Anywho, never. Nice trade, Amy Lou. Yes, it was, Amy. Congratulations again. Thank you, God. Thank you. Yep. Thank you, Matt Parker. All right, guys. What's up, Jen Holmes? Oh, no, Jen, we're leaving you. Nothing personal. Hi, Jen. Everyone welcome Jen, but we're leaving. Jen, you can rewatch it. I'm done. I'm so sorry to go on you, Jen Holmes, but thank you. What's up, William Perkins? What's up? How you doing, William? All right. God bless you all. Oh, no. Okay. I'm sorry, Jen. All right. God bless. Talk to you all later. Oh, geez. Mike's calling. I'm stuck on that one. All right. Let me get this off here. All right, guys. God bless you on TikTok. God bless you on YouTube. Everybody have a great night. Everybody have a good evening. Good luck on all your trades. Hope some of those come true for you. God bless. Talk to y'all later. And then you kick it off right here.